Okay students, today we learn the exercise 14 question number 2. We have to complete this table. Here the height, volume are given to us. We have to find the diameter, radius and the total surface area. Okay, height is given to us the 14 centimeter and the volume is the 407 centimeter cube. Okay, now look at here, the volume of the cylinder is given by the base area, which is pi r square, and the height, which is h. So the volume is given by this formula, and when we talk about the total surface area, TCA is given by the 2 times of the base area multiplied by the curved surface area. Actually in the formulation form it becomes the 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. In the question part A, they just gives us the height, which is the 14 centimeter, and the volume, which is the 704 centimeter cube. We have to find the radius and the diameter. The total surface area also we have to find these 3 things. The volume is given by the pi r square multiplied by h. Volume is given to us, which is the 407 centimeter cube. We just write it here, its value. The pi is 22 by 7 and the r square comes as it is. Height is given to us, which is the 14. 7 cancel by the 14, it becomes the 2 22s are become 44. 44 r square equals to this. So divided by the 44 on the both side, this 44 cancel by this, it becomes the r square only, and when it is divided by the 44, it becomes 16. To isolate the r, we have to find the r's value. Just take a square root, that square root and the square will cancel each other, and we got the value of radius, which is equal to the 4. So as the radius is 4, so the diameter is double of that, it becomes 8 centimeter. In the second part, they just want to know the total surface area, which is given by the 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 comes as it is, pi is the 22 by 7, r is the 4, so r square becomes here, and 2 comes as it is, pi is the 22 by 7, r is 4, and height is given to us is the 14. So we will just 4 square is 16, 22s are 44, 44 multiplied by 16 comes as it is, this 7 in the denominator. 2 multiplied by 22, it becomes 44, 14 4s are 56, so just and divided by 7. Take LCM and solve this, we get the 453 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. Okay, so the part A of the question number 2 of exercise 14C done.